Hello guys, welcome back. Today, well, I'm playing this game. I might not be able to see me, but this is me. I'll show you the kitty at the day. We just need to switch around. This pretty kitty. Might not be able to see that either. I'm sorry. Let's flip it back around and get into it. Do the best. Survive the natural disasters. The game is played in rounds. Each round loads a random disaster and map. If you die, you will spawn in the lobby and you can watch the rest of the players survive in the safety of the tower, but a new round starts shortly. Okay. Oh, and I also shortened my character a bit just to get one stinking badge. I still don't have that badge. Tyler and Matthew told me to play this game. I am good, but not that good. Ooh, 13 deaths. Like 76. How is that possible? This is in a row. So hurry up. This per death. Oh, like 4. Oh, look at that. Just so you know, the brown stuff kills you. Oh yeah, you're a good fairy kitty. Glass office. Now glass office, I'm only gonna head to the second or third floor. There's no point in having the face cam, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. But either way, it's technically safe to be inside. Okay, I'm gonna try to get to the top. Also, I have a Canada hat on. Makes me happy, like a chappy. Fire, keep a distance from the fire. Well, where is the fire? Well, I'm going to head to the top of the building. What? Oh my god. Guys, it's not safe up here. Not safe. We got to fall down a hole. We got to fall down a hole. I died.
Isn't I joining with you?
Oh, my brother's joining. No!
Huh? Where are you?
I'm not here.
No, I just, I see you.
I don't.
Yes, sir.
No, you don't. You do not see me, Lincoln. I will leave game WestJet 120 if you keep doing this, WestJet 120.
Okay, what the? How come this thing is orange?
Yeah, well, tap it. Tap it.
Huh?
Tap it, dude. Tap it. Did you get something?
No,
Does it cost Robux? Like, fire is almost impossible to survive. Now I actually want to do it. What is in the next one? Oh, look at that. That's the office.
Where do you get a balloon?
I don't have one, noob. But if I did, I would already have it gone. Safety second. If anything, I don't want to be touching the ground, but at the same time, I don't want to be.
Is it safe up here?
If it's fire, I'm so dead. You can't see me.
What the?
Climb the... Wait, guys, if I climb the crane, you gotta like.
That's what we
Got it, guys? I climb the crane, you gotta like. Okay, climb the crane, you guys gotta like. Earthquake. I die, Rita. Like, how is my flying head supposed to survive that?
No.
I look like a cool dude. Look at me. Meow 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 meow. So meows a lot. Just because I have glasses on doesn't make me dumb.
Goodness.
I see you, WestJet. Yeah. I can see. Dun, 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 dun,
Stop it,
dun,
I'll
dun,
leave
dun,
the
dun.
gate.
Leave
I
the
just put the gate jumping. Dude, I jumping.
leave the.
I knew it.
As you might have guessed, WestJet 120 is my brother.
Wait, how do you?
What is that? That acid rain or something? Hey, look.
Me too. Is this invisible?
Half of the island just got torn off.
And I just falled.
WestJet, where are you? I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you, WestJet. Lincoln, come back here.
I am.
Lincoln, I'm chasing you. Don't you need to give the phone to Mommy? Oh, okay.
You reset that.
You have died. And I have died.
I did that to it.
Green panic.
And where are
Teleport me already.
people getting balloons?
I don't know.
Wait, this is a jail.
Yeah? Didn't you read it?
I disappeared. Oh no, 24/7. No, I'm in jail.
24/7.
I'm coming.
Stuck in jail. Let me
Stay with me.
out.
I'm stuck in jail.
I don't want to
I'm
be
stuck in
here. I don't want to be here.
But how did the air people easily get out?
Oh. If I keep it.
Oh no,
No.
they're squirting.
We're not going to survive this. We're not going to
I
survive.
tapped it, but I still in
Yeah,
jail.
it's not going to do anything.
Oh no.
Wait.
Oh no.
No, no, no. Help me. Ah,
Someone help me. It's stuck in jail.
on the bed.
Huh? What the? Eh?
Jump out of the room. No. How is this possible? Why did I just arrest myself? How long have I...
Someone help me. I'm stuck in jail. Oh no.
Now, how about you try jumping out of the bars? Because I'm already dead. Why do I always do that?
No. I do. Oh my god. No, my dad.
An apple a day saves the day. Red apples last forever. 80 Robux. That's a lot for one apple. Well, thing no.
Oh, well, that's cool.
Where are you? Why did you just jump off the island?
I just falled off.
That was easy for a lot of people.
Are you going to give it back to me?
Did Lincoln survive? it could happen to you in True Blocks Arcane Instruments. Oh. Arch Park. This is honestly my favorite. And where's the volcano? Like, people always head for the highest point.
I sent it to Auntie Monica.
And Daddy too.
This time I feel
Daddy was
like...
there, silly.
Oh.
See?
But he didn't saw the link.
Oh, well, you'll have to show him when we see him.
Get in a
okay?
safe room.
There you
Hello guys, would you like a hot dog? Would you like a hot dog?
Dude, I just started. Where are you? Oh, right. This one.
Would you like a hot dog?
Where are you? Where's the whole island? Where's the island? We can't find. I see the island. I see it. I see it. Oh yeah. Oh, DJ. Roblox girl.
What is that?
What was what?
Well, we're about to die, guys. Nice
You're
knowing you.
awesome.
Nice knowing you guys. Nice knowing you.
I'll be safe up here. Oh, I didn't die.
Well, I survived for once.
Die.
Can I move, please? How long will this blizzard last? There we go, I finally won a game. I'd like to talk to you. Okay, guys.